going on, YouTube family? I am back at it again with another YouTube video, man. As y'all can tell by the thumbnail and the title, we are back with the SRT 392, man. As y'all can tell, I'm excited. Y'all can tell that by my voice. I'm sorry if y'all hear like a bunch of cars going past. I am under this little thing, but that's besides the point. Before we get into the video, I just want to go ahead and say I appreciate every last one of y'all for showing love and support. We hit 700 subscribers. Man, that is crazy. Like, we this close to 1,000 subscribers. So if y'all new to the channel and first seeing my channel, man, first seeing my face, make sure y'all subscribe to the channel and join the family, man. And also comment down what you think about this video and like the video too, man. So yeah, man, without further ado, let's go ahead and get into the video. Here she is, y'all boys. I decided to go with the paint. Y'all know my last video, I mentioned I didn't know if I wanted to do paint or wrap, but I ended up going with a paint job because it was quicker and it was just easier for me, for real. Yeah, I went with the paint job. I went with, what color is this? This is ceramic gray / destroyer gray. They put destroyer gray on the Chargers, but they put ceramic gray on the Chryslers. Either way, they're the same exact color. I ended up getting all this stuff wrapped up here. I'm gonna end up doing all the chrome. I'm gonna do a full chrome delete. Might do the roof. Y'all let me know, should I do the roof? I don't know if I should do the roof or not, but I'm thinking I should do the roof. Y'all know these wheels came with this car, so I'm not stuck with these wheels. So I might get rid of them and just go with some other type of wheels. All blacked out. If y'all know, when I first bought this car, I don't know if this is 5%. I know it's 5% on the windows because you can't see in there. But I don't know if it's 5% on the windshield too. I don't know, but dude that had this car for me, bro, you are crazy. Like, what? How do you even see at night? I got glasses and I barely could see. Like, dude was crazy when he came up with that idea. But you know what? I ain't gonna sit there and get rid of it because why? It looked good like this for real, even though I can't see. But yesterday I did go get this tint. Was it this one? No, it wasn't this one. I got this tint done again because y'all know this is a whole new door. I got that tint done. I got this done. And then the body shop that I was getting my car painted at, they ended up messing up my tint. So I ended up getting this one redone when I only had to get those two. So yeah, that's what I did yesterday. And yeah, man, this is the SRT 392, man. I'm super excited, bro, and it look good. What y'all think? But yeah, man, we ready to go riding. I'm gonna go ahead and do a little warm start for y'all. Yeah, man, I cannot get enough of that sound. Like, I just love it, bro. Y'all do not know, I did not even mention this, but I did get a new diffuser. Yeah, I did get a diffuser. And yeah, I got this wrap. And then I want to put some right here because y'all know I had SRT8 right there, but I want to get like some black right there, maybe black SRT emblem or something like that. I don't know. But yeah, I got the diffuser and everything. So yeah, the inside. Inside, don't mind the trash and stuff, but I did get my seat fixed. Yes, sir, had to get that fixed. Y'all know the roof airbag, I already fixed that, but that's still messed up. And I know this look bad. I had bad luck trying to find a passenger seatbelt because like every one that I ordered, like it was either locked or it didn't work. So now I got another one on the way from eBay. I hope this one worked this time, please, man, because I cannot keep on riding around without a passenger seatbelt, because anybody that riding this seat is like anything could happen. So I got to get that fixed. That's on the way though. And that'll be the last thing that I got to fix so I can finally get this car inspected, and then we can go from there. I'm gonna go ahead and give y'all a quick little POV and whatnot, and then what else I got to do? I wanted to get an oil change, but do I really want to spend? Because I ain't doing no regular Mobile One oil change. What I do, I'm going oils or what? I'm going AM's Oil Signature Series. So, and that's expensive. I think it's like in total with the 7 quarts of oil and filter, it's like what, like $140 for all of it. So yeah, that's that. We just gonna go ahead and start the little POV. I ain't even gonna record with that phone. I'm gonna just record with this one. I'm gonna go ahead and I like to put this screen because I like to monitor my fluids and all that, but I'm gonna do this for y'all so y'all can see the horsepower and all that. On my glasses, I know I can't see. So I'm tired of, man. I'm tired of wearing these glasses. Tired of wearing glasses, period. Alright. Y'all ready? I'm kind of nervous, I ain't gonna lie. We on the 4.5? Alright, cool. I want to talk to y'all about why my car took so long, but then again, that's gonna distract me from driving. This better be the last one. I'm just gonna. Alright, cool. I ain't even gonna go too crazy. I know it's raining and stuff, but I'ma still get y'all some OD5 content, cause that's what I always do. Hope y'all can hear it. I would roll my window down, but I just got this tint done, so I can't really even do that. I gotta hurry up and get these 245s off here. Y'all seen that? Or am I tripping? Why did it just reset? Oh, y'all hear that? Y'all hear that crackling though? Don't mind my voice, I lost it a little bit. But yeah, man. My car been in the hands of 3 body men. The first body man. I don't really want to get too much into it, but the first body man, bro, what? Why did the screen keep on reset? Whoa. This is my first time ever seeing it do this. What the heck? Bro, is it just because of I keep going on that screen? Or let me just try this screen. Whoa, SRT, like, what is y'all doing? Why would y'all do that? Anyway, the first body man, we ain't even gonna talk about it. Then I had to go to a second body man. Like, my first body is the dude that I always went to the, okay, I don't know what that is. It's annoying now, though. We gonna get into those crackers. Hold up, y'all. Hold up. Let me make sure my battery is fully connected, because that could be what it was doing. Because I remember that did happen one time. Man, here we go. Here we go with this. Oh man, get out. You act like you don't want to get out. All my screws. Hopefully this was the problem, because I don't know, man. Yeah, y'all see how the lights just flickered? That probably was a problem. Oh no. Embarrassing, but I'm gonna try to screw this back and I'm gonna get back to you. All right, y'all boys, we got it on tight, so now we gonna see if that fixed the problem that we have. It won't on tight at all, I could tell you that. Start up how it's supposed to. Oil change, dude. Yeah, we gotta get that done sooner or later. Do we got the right current? 14 volts. 14 volts. Is it supposed to be at 14 or 15? I don't know for real. I know it's supposed to be at 14, but sometimes I see it at 15. Alright, y'all, let it get rolling. If it do it again, I know it's not gonna. we do it again, I know it's gonna be like an alternator problem or something, but I mean, it's doing what it's supposed to now, so that probably was our problem. Back in sport, all right. Whoa. Wow. Wow. Had me up in the sea. Really, I don't know what I was ready to do just now. But yeah, look like that fixed our problem, man. I'm happy it wasn't nothing else. Cause I was not ready to deal with no alternator problem, man. I changed out the alternator before, but not on one of these. I don't want one of these. Man, I cannot tell y'all how bad these cars are on gas, bro. Bro, they is not good on gas at all. But what I will tell you, if you get one of these cars, filling it up is not bad at all. Like, I put $40 in here, and look where it got me. And I already been across the city, so I was a little bit more than that. Man, putting gas in this car is not bad at all. It burned off fast, but filling it up is like easy. Take like $55, $60 to fill it up. Rather than you got a Lexus, or all my Lexus and Acuras that I had, they took like $60, $70 to fill up, which was weird, because you're like, why is that little car cost more than this to fill? I don't know, man. It's weird. And then for real, the gas ain't too bad for me, because I also got a pickup truck with the 6.0 in it, the Chevy 6.0. So it's not that bad. My truck is worse than this, so I'm used to it. I don't even trip. But it's better because it don't take much to fill up. So we can hear the thing pop. A little something. I talked over it. Crazy if I was ready to stop right there. But yeah, man, like sometimes I just sit here and think like, dang, I really done came a long way with this car. Man, it's crazy. Like, how did I come this? Well, some may ask that. How did I come this far? Man, just don't give up. Like, it was times where I could have gave up on this car and just sold it how it was, but I didn't. I stayed dedicated because I already seen my vision for this car. Like, you know what I'm saying? So anything you got going on right now, bro, just keep on going with it. Do not give up. Especially on something you got a whole lot of money into. Like, I spent a lot of money on this car. Just the car, like, wrecked up how it was. So it was like, if I sold it, I was not going to get nowhere near, you know what I'm saying, when I paid for it. And I know a lot of people been asking me, like, how did you do it? Like, how much do it cost? How much this? How much that? Y'all, I'm going to bring them videos. This video is just to show y'all that I got it painted and everything. But I'm definitely going to get the videos out to y'all. I want to get a video where I go and make this car louder somehow. I don't know what I should do. Straight pipe. People saying that I should do like Corsa or something like that, but it's like, bruh, why do Corsa exhaust when it's just gonna sound like a muffler and resonator like I got now? Like, my car is kind of loud, so it's like $2,000 down the drain for what? God, man, I gotta get some bigger tires on here. If y'all don't know what tires on here, I got 245s on here. That's what dude, I don't know, bro. If you watching the video that had this car, bro, I'm props to you because you kept it up. But what made you put 245s on some aftermarket rims, bro? What made you do that? Man, you crazy. Especially with a car with this much power. Man, I need at least 275s. So my next wheel setup, I want 305s in the back and 275s on the front. But if I find a good deal with all 275s, I'll take it. But yeah, y'all boys, I hope y'all enjoyed the video, man. This is gonna be the end of it. Y'all know I got crazy more videos coming for y'all. It just had to take a little time for me to get the car back. And yeah, man, y'all make sure y'all go ahead and like, comment, subscribe if you new, because we is on the way to 1K. And yeah, I see y'all on the next vid.